Equitable use of resources for sustainable lifestyles. Reduction of the unsustainable and unequal use of resources and control of our population growth are essential for the survival of our nation and indeed of humankind everywhere. Our environment provides us with a variety of goods and services necessary for our day-to-day lives. But the soil, water, climate and solar energy, which from the abiotic, support that we derive from nature, are in themselves not distributed evenly throughout the world or within countries. A new economic order, that global and that national levels, must be based on ability to distribute benefits of natural resources by sharing them more equally among the countries as well as among communities within countries such as our own. It is at the local level where people subsist by the sale of locally collected resources that the disparity is greatest. Development has not reached them, and they are often unjustly accused of exploiting natural resources. They must be adequately compensated for the removal of the sources to distinct regions and thus develop a greater stake in protecting natural resources. There are several principles that each of us can adopt to bring about sustainable lifestyles. This is primarily comes from caring for our Mother Earth in all respects. A love and respect of nature is the greatest sentiment that helps bring about a feeling for looking at how we use natural resources in a new and sensitive way. Think of the beauty of a wilderness, natural forest in all its magnificence, the expanse of a green grassland, the clean water of a lake that supports so much life, the crystal clear water of a hill stream, or the magnificent power of the oceans, and we cannot help but support the conservation of nature's wealth. If we respect this, we cannot commit acts that will deplete our life supporting systems. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.